Here I am at VMworld 12:30 at night on a Tuesday, putting together my Hyper-V cluster with my 3 laptops there and my little wireless router over there. I got my domain controller with a data domain installed on top of that, and I got my 2 Hyper-V servers on the right over there. My laptops are IBM, or not IBM, they're Lenovo W500, 8 gigs of RAM in each of those, with an extra hard drive on the server on the left, which has the data domain lines exposed on that via iSCSI. And I'm putting this all together. I'm gonna install on the left-hand server. I got 2 VMs running on there. One SQL server. One's gonna be my system center management, my server management suite data center server, and that's going to have VMM and Ops Manager and Config Manager installed on it, and I'll be able to deploy all my virtual machines and live migrate between the 2 servers and their failover cluster. Talk more about it later, but this is what I've been doing tonight.